Good morning, everybody. So today we will be entering the tutorial question for chapter 8 lah. Okay, so the first question: in a Young's double slit experiment, the seventh dark fringe, so it mentioned the seventh dark fringe is located 0.025 meter to the side of the central bright fringe on a flat screen. Okay, so it is 1.1 meter away from the slit. So if you were to draw that, this is a Young's double slit experiment, so there's gonna be two slits lah. Okay, so the distance of these slits to the screen is about 1.1 meter. That is gonna be our capital D, so this is 1.1 meter. And then the seventh dark fringe is located 0.025 meter to the central bright fringe. So that one, the formula is gonna be in our notes on page number 7. So if you look at that, it's gonna be the second table. Let me show you lah. Okay, so that is gonna be on this one, I think. Yeah, page 7. So it is asking about the question mentioned about the separation between the dark fringe and the central bright fringe, right? So that gonna be that the equation is gonna be this one. So let us write down the equation. So this is gonna be equal to m plus half capital D over the small d. Alright, I'm gonna change the size of my font. Alright, now so that is the formula that we will use. Now we need to consider what order is this seventh dark fringe. Okay, so if we look at the notes, the first dark fringe, the order of this first dark fringe is gonna be equal to 0. And then if we look at the second dark fringe, the order is the first one. Okay, so if we have the seventh dark fringe, our order is not gonna be 7, it's gonna be -1, which is 6 lah. Okay, sebab dia consider m equal to 0. M equal to 0 is the first dark fringe. Okay, so not when m equal to plus minus 1 baru dia first dark fringe. No, so m equal to 0 will be the first dark fringe, meaning that when it is at the seventh dark fringe, the order number is gonna be 6 lah. Okay, right, lepas tu we have that, so we just have to substitute lah the value. So this is gonna be the 6 punya. So 6 plus half capital D is 1.1, small d, which is the slit separation, is given as 1.4 times 10 negative 4 meter. Okay, so put that into this formula, then you will get what are we looking for? Oh, I forgot the wavelength. Sorry. Okay, so I forgot the wavelength. It should have wavelength here. So this one is 1.1 meter, and then the separation between the central bright fringe and the dark fringe, the sixth order dark fringe is sixth order is 0.25 meter. Okay, kena bagi di sini. Alright, so that is that. So substitute this into here. So we are looking for the wavelength, so rearrange that, and you should get 4.895 times 10 to the power of negative 7 meter lah jawapan dia. Okay, alright, so that is the solution for question number 1.